man thought his dog was not smart, but the test results surprised him. Look, when he walked his dog, he noticed it often hit its head, but he refused to believe his dog was dumb. So, he decided to give it an IQ test. First, the man put food inside a toy. Its little brother dog got it easily, but this dog just shook the toy wildly. When the food popped out, the little brother ate it right away. It became very frustrated. Then, the man placed food in a bowl of water. This dog still had no idea how to get it. As expected, the little brother grabbed the food again. The man was heartbroken. He could not believe his dog was that foolish. So, he hung the food above its head. The dog kept walking forward, tried for hours but never ate it. It even almost fought with the food. In the end, the man had no choice. He gave the food directly and accepted the truth.